points are still really tight, and it's still anyone's regatta, especially if we've got some windy conditions forecasted, and in boats as volatile and crazy as these, it can be anyone's regatta. So we're just staying calm and doing it's just like any other morning.
We feel great. It was a little bit unexpected. We went out in the water. We wanted to fight for the second place, and we did a very good race.
This gold medal came after the silver medal in Palma and the gold medal in Miami, so we started this season in a huge way, and we will work hard to keep there.